So students, the problem based on matrices which we are going to take now, if you solve it by a proper conventional way, it would take a very long time, lot of lengthy calculations will be involved. But the same question, if you use the trick which I am going to tell you now, you can do it in less than 1 minute without much calculation. So before going ahead, let me just read out the question, which says that the trace of a square matrix is defined to be the sum of its diagonal entries. If A is a 2 by 2 matrix such that the trace of A is 3 and the trace of A cube is minus of 18, then the value of determinant of A is. This means what? First, he has defined what is the trace of a matrix, which we already know that it is the sum of its diagonal elements. Then he has considered a matrix A whose trace is equal to 3, and if I take the cube of that matrix and then I find out the trace, it is minus of 18. And then he is asking us to find out the determinant of A. Normally in such kind of questions, what we generally tend to do is we consider a matrix A like A, B, C and D, and then we find out its trace, which is A plus D, which I say is equal to 3. Then I will take the cube of that matrix, for which first I will take a square and multiply it again once more to find out A cube. That itself will take lot of time, and then I will get some equation in terms of A, B, C, D. Solving it will again take too much of time. Now instead of that, if I simply observe this question, first of all, the question is a single digit integer type of question, one thing. Secondly, in this question he is asking us the determinant of that matrix. That means we are here not concerned about the individual values of A, B, C, D. So if I construct a matrix which follows only the two restriction what is given in the question, what is that? First is that matrix should have the trace equal to 3 and the trace of its cube should be equal to minus of 18. Only these two restriction if I keep in my mind, and I can take any such matrix. So first thing is how to frame such a matrix. So let me consider the easiest matrix which require minimal calculation. So that would be like a diagonal matrix whose non-diagonal entries, if I take 0, 0. So if I take these two values 0 and 0, and these two values I can consider anything, like I can say x and y. Okay, let this be any such matrix. Now why I am saying is the cube of any diagonal matrix, we know it is nothing but the cube of its diagonal entries, which is x cube and y cube, and other values are 0. We know the property of a diagonal matrix. Using that I can say this is A cube. So here as per the restriction which are given in the question, our x plus y is actually how much? It is 3. And what is x cube plus y cube? The trace of this matrix, it is equal to minus of 18. So from here what I need? I need the determinant of this matrix. So what is the determinant of this matrix? Very obvious, it is equal to x into y. So I just need the value of x into y using these two equations, which is very easy to find out. I will simply take the calculation x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3 into x into y into x plus y. So x plus y whole cube is 27, 3 cube, x cube plus y cube, this is given to us minus of 18, 3 into xy as such I need to find out, and x plus y is equal to 3. I can divide this entire equation by 9. So I get 3 is equal to minus 2 plus xy. Okay. So what is xy? Xy will be equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. What we need? We need xy only. So that is equal to 5 is our required answer. So see how fast we have done it without any much calculation. Here somebody may argue that if I find out x and y in this, if I find out x and y after solving it, then it would come out to be imaginary. So it doesn't matter, because the question is not asking us that x and y to be real. He has not written anywhere in this question that the matrix is having real entries, so it can be imaginary also. But the answer whatever you get would be independent upon the value of x and y. The x into y value, this product will always be equal to 5, which is what he is asking for this particular question. So hope you must have enjoyed solving this question.